Hey there. Today I'll show you how to release scores in Google Forms step by step. Head to forms.google.com and open the quiz that contains the responses you want to release scores for. Once it opens, you'll see the Questions tab at the top. That's how you know you're in the right place. Next, click on the Responses tab. You'll find this at the top of the form, right next to Questions and Settings. The Responses view opens, showing you summary, question, and individual options across the top. Now click Individual. This switches you to a view that shows each respondent's complete submission one at a time, with navigation arrows to move between them. Before releasing scores, you'll need to grade any questions that require manual grading, things like short answer or paragraph questions. Look at the top right corner of each question box. If there's a points field there, enter the points the student earned. Auto-graded questions like multiple choice or checkboxes will already have scores assigned, so you can skip those. If you want to add feedback for any answer, you can click Add Feedback under the answer and type your comments. Once grading is complete, look at the top right of the individual response view. You'll see a Release Score button. This only appears for responses where an email address was recorded. Click Release Score. A dialog window opens with a list of recipients. In this dialog, you'll see checkboxes next to each person's name. Check the boxes next to the people you want to email scores to. You can add or remove emails from the list here if needed, and there's an option to include a message if you want to add any notes. When you're ready, click Send Emails and Release. The dialog closes, and the scores are now released to the selected recipients. The people you selected will receive an email notification with their quiz score and a link to view their detailed results. Here are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, if you originally set your quiz to release scores immediately after each submission in the Settings tab, this manual process isn't necessary. Scores go out automatically the moment someone submits. Second, you can verify which scores have been released by checking back in the Individual tab. Released scores will show as sent. Thanks for watching.